Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to torque these top nuts on your front struts. So I got this awesome kit here from Laser Tools. This is the best kit to tighten these top nuts on these struts. It includes all these pieces. So, you got your ratchet here, different sockets, and you also have these hex keys to hold that top strut cylinder from spinning when you tighten the nut. So I have Coney struts in the front. They require a 22 millimeter socket on this top nut. I believe the stock top nut's 21 millimeter, so that fits right over there. Then you can see this hex head inside of here. I believe that is 6 millimeter. So let's get that. This right here. And that holds that top, that holds the strut cylinder from spinning. And then we can put our ratchet right over top of that. So let's grab our ratchet. Slide this down right over top. So I'm going to use this. Alright. So now you can go ahead and tighten the nut while holding the strut itself so that it will not spin. So go ahead and get started. Okay, now we're ready to torque this down. To make sure your vehicle is on the ground, like so. Need the weight of the vehicle on the strut. So I'm going to try to do this while holding the camera. Okay. Alright, there we go. That's torqued. I'm going to take this off the top. You can see the nut is seated in there nicely. There's the part number 7360. It's from the UK. And they give you, your instructions there, which I just showed you. You get your sliding T-bar, which I used. And they give you some examples of use there, what the kit includes. It's a nice 15-piece kit. So I highly recommend it. And it'll last you a long time. It's good quality. Alright guys, thanks for watching and take care.